Hello guys, I hope everyone is having an amazing day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan and behind me is my 2003 911 Turbo, and today we are replacing couple parts on the car, so let's go. So today we are replacing hood latch trim that goes inside of the trunk, and also we are replacing the bumper trim that's missing in the back of my bumper. So as you can see, as the car is 15 years old, it's already, it's probably from the sun. So this side of the tab is basically peeling, it's cracking. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna take this this trim out of the car. So basically what you do, you just pull it in here, pull this, there's like a little tabs on the headlight, you just gotta pull them up. As you can see, this is cracked here, it's already cracking. So the tabs, these tabs, they need to be sideways. This one is actually missing since I bought the car. And you basically just pull it. I have one hand, so you can even bend it a little bit, like right here, and basically it's coming off. And this, you just gotta, let me see I'm losing the tabs. Plastic tabs, I can still reuse them. I have new ones as well. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna bend it and pull it up, forward. Like I said, I'm only using one hand and I'm trying not to rip anything. This seal was already like that, cracked, and I got the car. Basically, you straight this one up, the latch, go a little bit forward, boom, it's snapped. So as you can see, this is why I'm replacing this. It's in horrible condition. I'm gonna keep the tabs, and now we're gonna put the new one in. As you can see, the hood latch trim is already installed. It's really easy to install. What you do, you start from this corner, then you go to that corner. There's like a little step, a little thing behind. You have to snap inside, and then you basically bend this seal a little bit and you push it inside. So this is it's really simple install. I thought I would have to take the headlights off, but no, you don't have to. And all I have to do is just put those little plastic screws that I have. I only have one hand, so what are we gonna do? We are just, I'm just gonna put it in here. It's nice and clean. I love it. Now, the car will appreciate that. We're gonna replace that, and we're just gonna twist this. Boom. Twist this one. Twist this one. And that's it. This is a brand new hood latch trim installed on my 996. So I have this part right here, so all we have to do, I believe, just put this thing inside, right here, down. I don't know if it's, probably I have to lay on the floor. So look, I don't know if there's something inside. Let's see, I don't think it goes in here. Oh, maybe. Okay, see, that's it. All you have to do is just do that. Put it up, down. I think we have to go from, we go up and snap it in. Boom. This needs to be clean because I had electrical tape here. So we replaced two things on the car today, and I like it. I mean, it was 10 minutes of work. And replacing things on a car that is 15 years old will also, the car will appreciate you. So I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys in the next video. where we are gonna do a review on the full 3-inch X-pipe exhaust from Speedtech. I'll see you guys in the next video.